What would you like to drink?
Give me a rum and coke. No, make that a gin and tonic.
You cannot even order a drink without flip-flopping. I am moving to Mexico if your sorry ass gets into office.
Hey, I am the flip-flopper.
Can I have a good old American glass of beer while Larry, Curly, and Moe finish their routine?
Hey, I heard Barry whittled the Constitution down to 3 lines.
I can remember 3 lines. What are they?
We the people are so screwed. Deal with it.
That's still a little long for me to remember.
And these buffoons have supporters. If I am not elected, then bring your own handbasket. You will need it.